मंदिर हैं और अनेक संत हैं, कितनी पूजा पाठ होती है। हमारे भारत में सबसे ज़्यादा पूजा पाठ होती है, तो भगवान का अस्तित्व रहता है। उसके बाद भी पुराने ज़माने में बहुत सारे युद्ध होते थे। भजन करने वालों लोगों पर बड़ा अत्याचार होता था, बहुत ज़्यादा अत्याचार भजन करने वालों पर हुआ है। मंदिरों को उजाड़ दिया है और कहते थे कि मुगलों ने पूरा का पूरा परिवार, यहाँ तक कि मंदिर में लोग कीर्तन कर रहे थे और सभी लोगों को मौत के घाट उतार दिए। तो कभी कभी मेरे मन में भी वो सवाल आते थे कि भगवान होने के बावजूद भी फिर इतना सब कुछ ऐसा क्यों होता है। इससे अच्छा तो हमें युद्ध की तैयारी करनी चाहिए। आइदर वी शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर वॉर, दैट इज मोर प्रोमिनेंट एंड मोर इफेक्टिव। क्या हम युद्ध की तैयारी करें, भगवान की आराधना क्यों करते हैं? कि जो भगवान हमें बचा ही नहीं पाया, उस भगवान की आराधना करने का क्या फायदा? ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ये बात सोचता नहीं हूँ, हम तो बड़े प्रैक्टिकल हम सोचते हैं, तो भगवान बचाना चाहिए ना भगवान को। आपको क्या लगता है? या फिर कम से कम एक इंडिकेशन मिल जाता कि मैंने आपकी कितनी भक्ति की है, कम से कम आप मुझे बताओ कि ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता। हम तो इतनी पूजा कर रहे हैं, पूजा पाठ कर रहे हैं, आप देखो भारतवर्ष में इतना भगवान का नाम लिया जाता है, तो क्यों नहीं है भगवान हमें बचाते? क्यों देवता हमारी रक्षा नहीं करते? कम से कम भारत को तो करना चाहिए था कि इतना भगवान, इतना पूजा पाठ होती है ना, ऐसा क्यों होता है?
क्यों होता है ये नहीं बता, बस ये प्रश्न है कि क्यों होता है, ये बताने वाला आज तक कोई मिला ही नहीं। बताने वाले नहीं मिला आज तक कोई।
कभी सोचा आपने?
सोच
मन में तो आता है।
मन में तो आता है ना कि मंदिर क्यों टूट रहे हैं, ये क्यों टूट रहा है, वो क्यों टूट रहा है, अच्छे लोगों पे क्यों मतलब प्रहार हो रहे हैं, अच्छे लोगों की क्यों गर्दनें कट रही हैं, आता है विचार तो।
या फिर हम ये बोल सकते हैं सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट ही सबसे बढ़िया है, फिर तो भगवान का नाम लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। फिर हम भगवान का नाम क्यों लेते हैं? आप देखो भगवान के गीत गाने वालों का नाम ज्यादा होता है, पर एक कोने में बैठकर भगवान का जो स्मरण करता है, जाप करता है, साधना करता है, उसको कोई जानता नहीं है। और उसको कोई जान करके उसका परिचय भी नहीं बढ़ाना चाहता। पर देखो वृंदावन में जो कथा करते हैं लोग, कथा वालों का बड़ा नाम रहता है। जो भजन करते हैं, भजन मंडली वालों का बहुत नाम, हर जगह भजन। पर जो साधना करते हैं उनका कोई नाम नहीं होता। क्यों नहीं होता? शक्ति भजन वाले के पास ज्यादा, इसका मतलब
नहीं है।
नहीं, तो जो भजन करता है फिर शक्ति तो उसके पास ज्यादा है। फिर सुबह उठा और सुबह लगा और भजन किया और बैठ गए, सो गए, उनका तो ज्यादा है। फिर हम लोगों का तो, फिर हम तो जो, या कोई भी व्यक्ति जो भजन नहीं कर रहा है, जो जप कर रहा है, जो साधना कर रहा है। वृंदावन में भी ऐसे संत है जिनको कोई जानता नहीं है, जो बस श्री राधा श्री राधा श्री राधा वल्लभ जो है बारंबार जाप कर रहे हैं। ऐसे ही अयोध्या में भी बहुत सारे ऐसे विचित्र संत हैं। कोई जानकर खुश नहीं है को। ऐसा क्यों होता है? इसका मतलब तो अगर हमें क्या बताया जाता है, आप अगर भगवान का नाम लोगे तो आपको तरक्की मिलेगी, तो आपको पैसा मिलेगा, आपको समृद्धि प्राप्त होगी। पर जो जेन्युइनली भगवान का नाम ले रहे हैं उनको क्यों नहीं हो रही?
उसकी लाइफ में तो स्ट्रगल के अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं।
जो मतलब 10-10 घंटे भगवान का नाम ले रहे हैं उनको क्यों नहीं मिल रहे भगवान? और क्यों नहीं मिल रहे भगवान? बताओ। बताओ जी, आपके मन में भी ख्याल आता होगा ये?
तो है।
फिर क्यों नहीं मिल रहे भगवान?
वो संसार में सिखाया है कि भक्ति है तो भगवान आपको सेव करेंगे, तो उसकी चरणों में आ जाते हैं तो कवच रखते हैं, पर ये तो होता नहीं।
तो इसका मतलब झूठी है?
ऐसे ही लगता है।
तो इसका मतलब ये तत्व झूठा है?
तो इसलिए सिखिज्म में दोनों सिखाते हैं, सिखिज्म में दोनों सिखाते हैं कि जब भी वक्त आते हैं तो आप आर्म्स ले सकते हैं। जैसे शाओलिन में है, शाओलिन मंक्स मेडिटेशन में ही है, तो जब भी ऐसे कुछ सिचुएशंस आ जाते तो लड़ाई तो करना पड़ेगा। ये पहला धर्म है, उसमें जो भी आते हैं लूट जाओ, चले जाओ, हम आपका गुलाम हैं, ऐसे ही लगता है। और सभी भगवान और जो अवतार बोलते हैं इधर ही जन्म लेते हैं। क्यों? ये समझ नहीं आता। ये सवाल बार बार दिमाग में आते रहते हैं।
बताओ, मन में आता होगा सवाल आपके भी?
बहुत आता है भैया, अभी भी चल ही रहा था 4 दिन से, आपने टॉपिक सिखा दिया।
हल्का है।
भैया बहुत आते हैं।
हल्का जी, हल्की हो जाओ।
बताओ, बता।
हल्का भैया कर रहे हैं, मुझे धीरे धीरे हो रही है।
कर्म होते हैं भगवान ने जैसे बताया कि कर्म में हस्तक्षेप नहीं करते हैं भगवान।
अच्छा, भगवान किसी के कर्मों में हस्तक्षेप नहीं करते तो किसके करते हैं? तो फिर हम आराधना करते हैं तो फिर फायदा क्या है उसका? तो भगवान जब कर्मों में ही हमारे हस्तक्षेप नहीं करते तो फिर फायदा क्या है?
क्यों करना है? देन व्हाई शुड वी डू दिस?
तो फिर हम ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? हम पूजा पाठ क्यों कर रहे हैं? भगवान का नाम क्यों ले रहे हैं? और दुनिया पागल क्यों हो रही है?
भैया अलग अलग चीज़ों का चुनाव होता होगा। मतलब जैसे मान लीजिए कि अगर कोई भक्ति कर रहा है कोई पर्सन, तो वो केवल ऊर्जा बनाने के लिए उसका चुनाव किया गया है कि ये एक्चुअली ऊर्जा बनाएगा, और उस ऊर्जा के थ्रू जो लोग चुने गए हैं युद्ध करने के लिए, चाहे वो आर्मी हो, चाहे वो BSF हो, या कोई भी अपना एयरफोर्स वगैरह कुछ भी हो, तो यहाँ की जो ऊर्जा है वो एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड की जो एनर्जी है तो उन्हें वो वहाँ पर हेल्प करेगी। तो ये अलग अलग चुनाव है। अगर वो ऐसा होता है कि अपना ये वाला जो युद्ध का जो पार्ट होता है वो कमज़ोर होता है, तो इनके ऊपर अटैक होता है, तो डायरेक्टली ये कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि उन्हें कोई ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट नहीं मिला कि अपनी इस ऊर्जा को वो दूसरी तरफ कन्वर्ट कर पाए, इसलिए डायरेक्टली उस समय पर नहीं कर पाए। लेकिन अगर ऐसा होता है कि इस ऊर्जा को फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में यूज कर पाए, जो बीच का कोई ऐसा इंसान जो यहाँ की ऊर्जा को यहाँ दे पाए, वो नहीं होता। ये मैं देख पा रहा हूँ कि मतलब कोई बीच में कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि यहाँ की एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड की ऊर्जा को वो फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में ला के हेल्प कर पाए, क्योंकि जिनके पास भी ऊर्जा बनाई गई है वो जागृत तो की गई लेकिन वो फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में आ ही नहीं पाई, इसीलिए लोगों की हेल्प ही नहीं हो पाई कभी भी।
बात तो अच्छी है। और किसी को तुम बता दो। तो फिर क्यों कर रहे हो इतना साधना वाधना? मजे के लिए?
नहीं, मजे के लिए नहीं है। आप बता दो, आंसर नहीं।
हमारे मन में बहुत बार सवाल ये आता है कि क्यों ये सब बनाया गया है, और इससे अच्छा तो हम ध्यान मेडिटेशन कर लें, उसमें कम से कम खुद पे काम तो हो जाएगा। पर हमें है ना, वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन ये सिखाती है कि इंडिपेंडेंट कैसे बनो। भारतीय संस्कृति पता है क्या सिखाती है? आपको भी इंडिपेंडेंट बनना है, पर डिपेंडेंट बनने के बाद वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन कहती है यू एंड ओनली यू विल बी योर मास्टर।
मास्टर ऑफ योर ओन डेस्टिनेशन।
यस। हमारी सिविलाइजेशन ये कहती है कि यू आर द मास्टर, आई नो यू आर द मास्टर, but you have somebody who will guide you। ठीक है। हम क्या करते हैं, एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड दोनों में होता है। वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन में भी एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड होता है, ठीक है। एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड वहाँ पर भी है, यहाँ पर भी है। हम लोग पता क्या करते हैं, हम लोग सीधा सीधा अपने साथ वाली ऊर्जा को रूल करने का मौका देते हैं। हम कहते हैं कि आप रूल करो, हम आपके नौकर। हम आपके नौकर हैं, आप रूल करो। यू रूल एंड वी आर योर सर्वेंट्स। हमेशा ये बताया जाता है, यू रूल एंड वी आर योर सर्वेंट्स। याद रखना, हम फिर सबको रूलर बनाते हैं। नेगेटिविटी, कोई व्यक्ति है, मान लीजिए कोई भी व्यक्ति है, वेस्टर्न सिविलाइजेशन में ये कहा जाता है कि आप अपने ऊपर ध्यान दो, अपने ऊपर काम करो, अपने ऊपर काम करते रहो। इंडियन सिविलाइजेशन में ये क्या है, कहा जाता है आप अपने ऊपर काम मत करो। You work for your master and you will be paid. Eventually you will be paid. हमेशा। अब कई दफ़ा ये बहुत अच्छा है, कई दफ़ा ये गलत हो जाता है। जिसका मास्टर जैसा होता है उसको वैसा मिलता है। जिसका मास्टर जैसा होगा उसको वैसा मिलेगा। इफ़ योर मास्टर इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू विल बी स्ट्रॉन्ग। इफ़ योर मास्टर इज नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग, को नहीं मिलेगा। मास्टर स्ट्रॉन्ग होने की वजह से गुरु परंपरा शुरू हुई। जो स्ट्रॉन्ग मास्टर होता है वो सबका मास्टर बनने की कोशिश करता है। मतलब कि हमारे साथ एक शक्ति रहती है हमेशा, उसको फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में बोलते हैं सूक्ष्म शरीर। क्या बोलते हैं? सूक्ष्म शरीर। ठीक है। हम उसको अपना सब कुछ दे देते हैं और कहते हैं यू गाइड अस बिकॉज यू कैन सी मोर देन अस। अब इस सूक्ष्म शरीर को कौन गाइड कर रहा है, वो हमारी डेस्टिनी डिसाइड करेगा। अगर कोई भूत प्रेत कर रहा है तो वो वैसे करेगा, वहाँ पर कोई देव शक्ति है तो वो वैसे करेगी, कोई पितृ की शक्ति है तो वो वैसे करेगी। अब हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं उनका सारे केसेस का। मेरे साथ जो होने वाला था, गुरुदेव ने मुझे एक दिन पहले बताया, मतलब मेरे मास्टर ने वो चीज़ पहले बता दी कि ये मेरे साथ ये होने वाली है। मतलब मेरे मास्टर ने बता दिया, किया कुछ नहीं, बता दिया। भगवान कृष्ण भी कहते हैं मैं बता दूंगा, करूंगा कुछ नहीं। ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? जिस भी व्यक्ति का मास्टर उसको पहले गाइड नहीं कर सकता, मार्गदर्शन नहीं कर सकता, तो ही शुड चेंज हिज मास्टर। द पर्सन who doesn't know when and why to change his master, वहाँ पर वो खराब हो जाता है, वो भ्रमित हो जाता है। Everybody has master, everybody, every damn person has his master। अब ये बताओ, अगर आपका मास्टर बहुत स्ट्रांग है और आपका और उसका कनेक्शन बहुत स्ट्रांग है, माई गॉड यू विल गो लाइक दिस। अगर यहाँ पर भूकंप आने वाला है तो यू विल बी लाइक 5 मिनट पहले यहाँ से चले जाओगे। योर मास्टर विल से यू स्टैंड अप एंड गो समवेयर एल्स। ठीक है, दैट इज द पावर ऑफ मास्टर। जो लोग कीर्तन करते हुए मारे गए, उनके मास्टर ने उनको बोला नहीं। आइदर उनके मास्टर ने ये कहा कि जो होगा देखा जाएगा, हमें यही मरना है। अगर मरेंगे तो कीर्तन करते हुए मरेंगे, वैसे नहीं मरेंगे। आपको क्या लगता है, जब युद्ध हुआ होगा तो क्या उन लोगों को भनक नहीं हुई होगी कि भाई युद्ध होने वाला है और लोग आने वाले हैं?
यस।
तो क्या वहाँ पर जो उनके मास्टर होंगे, मास्टर मतलब वहाँ की देव शक्तियाँ, क्या उन्होंने उनको आगाह नहीं किया होगा कि तुम भाग जाओ अगर तुम्हें बचना है तो? किया होगा ना। जब युद्ध हुआ होगा तो वहाँ की देव शक्तियों ने जरूर बताया होगा कि दे आर कमिंग फॉर यू बट दे चूज। उन्होंने सोचा कि हम यही मर जाएंगे, आप यहाँ पर हो, हम यही मर जाते, और वो सारे यही मर गए।
तो व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस? जब भी आप बोलते हैं जो आपका गुरु है, बोलते जो भी होगा आपका शरीर को होगा, आत्मा तो मेरे साथ है, I'll save your soul, but the body is replaceable। तो उसमें कैसे फ़र्क पड़ेगा? And plus remembering blind faith is there because I am following as you know what I am saying। समझ गए? तो how do you define this?
मास्टर का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में है आपको? एवरीबडी हैज दिस मास्टर, एवरीबडी, चाहे आप भगवान को मानो या ना मानो। इसीलिए भारत में 33 कोटि मतलब 33 करोड़ से ज़्यादा देवता है। क्यों? पहले 33 करोड़ लोग हो गए थे तो सबने अपना अपना एक देवता बना लिया था और वो उसको गाइड करता। अब वो अपने देवता के स्थान पर, अपने गुरु स्थान पर या अपने देवता के स्थान पर किसे बिठाता है वो मायने रखता है।
सिक्स्थ सेंस ये नहीं है
एक्चुअली, यही सिक्स सेंस, पावर ऑफ इंट्यूशन। इंट्यूशन आपका मन को क्या कहता है, मतलब द थिंग विच इज गाइडिंग यू, दैट इज योर मास्टर। द इंट्यूशन itself is the master. Somebody is sitting on your intuition and he will tell you and you will do it. Yeah, he will tell you and you will do it. अब हर जगह यही है। अब आप लोग यहाँ पर क्यों आए हो?
Because
Why
our
you came
master
here?
said us to come here. He has guided us.
Because
Voice in us.
inner voice master, the person who is sitting on your intuition is telling you go and learn from that person because he has something more which I don't have. It means there is somebody sitting on your intuition which is not God, at least which is not God. Matlab, means if it is God, he would have known everything. But it is not God, but it is something. Something. It is not nothing, but it is something. And something is. Now, अब इंडिया में क्या होता है, हम अपना मास्टर खुद बनाते हैं, खुद चुनते हैं, ठीक है, एंड वी से यू गाइड अस. तो अभी आप यहाँ पर आकर क्या कर रहे हो? यू आर ट्राइंग टू चेंज योर मास्टर. You are trying to change your master because you want that somebody should guide you much more better than the last master. You came for the master, your own master. इंडिया में पता है आपको सारे देवता यहाँ क्यों होते हैं? पता है आपको सभी सारे देवता यहाँ पर क्यों होते हैं? बिकॉज आवर मास्टर इज आवर गॉड.
ओके, इसलिए इतना देवता है.
हम आपको पता है राजस्थान में व्हेन यू गो टू राजस्थान, एवरी पर्सन हु हैज डन समथिंग गुड is represented as a devta. Every person. And they have powers also. They have certain powers also. Yeah. There was a person called Bhumia. Yeah. He died fighting for somebody's cows. People started worshipping them as God, a particular deity. Whenever you chant Bhumya Devta, no snake will bite you. No snake.
Mastered that.
Yeah. Now you can say that he is a master of snakes. So, likewise, people thought Bhumya is a god of snakes. So, I should have this also. I should have something else, which is a deity of brilliance. I should have that master also, that master also, that master also, pulling all the stretches. किस लिए? To make a complete master, but no one is a complete master, you know, because hence everybody has something, but no one has
Everything.
master. India is
मीटिंग का है वो.
is made
4 o'clock.
for masters. There are masters and servants. A person who has physical body is a slave. Remember it. Every person who has physical body and a prana tattva is a slave.
Yes.
Yeah. In our scripture also it is written. ठीक है. In our scripture also it is written that every person is a slave of devta. मतलब somebody is riding that human body. In our scriptures, it is written that Devta's vehicle is human body.
हाँ
देवताओं का वाहन इंसान का शरीर है, सवारी।
इंग्लिश बहुत अच्छा।
ठीक है। It means the concept of mastery. Somebody is riding somebody. So, in this world of master and slaves, we just have to be a good slave. So what we are doing here, sitting and waiting for that master, that some master will come and guide us. So what we are doing here, we are cleansing ourselves with the repetition of a particular mantra, so that we have a pure energy. Pure energy means, purity of energy means a single power of energy which is governing our body. There are multiple variations of energy in our body, which is governed by each chakras. There are 108 chakras in our body, and they have different energies. A person who is having a particular energy at a particular frequency in all the chakras is said to be a pure entity and a pure soul of energy. Nobody is impure. What is impure? Impure is like the energy which I like to see in your body, it is not present, but there is some another energy present in your body. That is we say you are impure. Means whatever I want you don't have. It means you are impure. So we came here only for the masters, and you all are sitting for the masters, that he will guide you, he will teach you, and whenever you need him, he will come and he will guide you. If somebody bad will happen to you, 1 day or 2 days before, he will let you know that somebody bad is happening to you, please save yourself. Why do we go from one place to another in search of masters? If a master can't tell you that tomorrow this thing is happening to you, you be prepared. Okay. That is, in my terms, it is not one of the master, I believe it. But there are masters who are saying that whatever happens, I am standing with you. That is some, and that is we say Lord Krishna is doing now. You do everything, I am standing here. Don't worry. Means I am very constant. I don't want anything. You can do anything, anytime. Whatever you do, I am standing here. You don't worry. It means you are living your life fully. So Krishna, what he did? What he did? He made your life full of freedom. He made you free. You do anything, I am standing here. Means either, see, it's like Krishna is like, I will not tell you anything, I will not guide you anything, I will not do for you anything, but I am standing, I am with you. That is Krishna. Whenever you look up to your side, I am sitting here. I will be sitting here. But nothing I will do. I will do nothing. That is a master people are seeking for the Lord. So, the people who like to be with that master go to Lord Krishna and chant Hare Rama and Hare Krishna. Those who want to know the future, those who want to get something, they search for different masters. Those who want to gain physical power, they also search for the masters. Those who want to see paranormal activities and control them, they also search for the masters. So you have to choose which master you want. In this Indian civilization, you should be governed by a master. Once you leave your body, you will be beside that master. So be grateful and choose your master wisely.
But isn't it difficult? Because you're not clear. I'm not clear whether you are a master. So I'm following you with faith, hoping you will. And I remember last time I was here, you said a story about the Swami in Delhi who's giving food. And all of his devotees are very well off, if you remember that. I'm recollecting what you said.
Yeah?
That master was taking their energy for himself. So how do you define what you are saying? That you are my master, at the same time you're asking me to have that faith. Where do I balance this?
Okay. First of all, masters. Masters is not a person, first of all. Master is never a person. Here the term master is your Sukshma Sharir. First of all, I am telling is, the master is your Sukshma Sharir, not a physical body.
Inner guidance.
I must be your friend. I must be your mentor. I can help you sometimes. But I can't be your master. Because if I want to become your master, I have to leave this body. And I have to sit on that master place. You getting me? First of all, master is your Sukshma Sharir, man. Master is your Sukshma Sharir. Sukshma Sharir. Somebody who is sitting on your Sukshma Sharir is your master. Somebody who can connect to your Sukshma Sharir might be your mentor, but not your master. So I never say that I will be your master. No. A physical body can't be a master of somebody else. Tomorrow, after 10-20 years, maybe 1,000 and 10,000 people get the drishti, and one day they will say that, oh Lord Guru, you are our Guru. So they are saying as their faith, but I would never be their master. Nobody can be the master of somebody else. If I trust this guy, if I believe this guy, he can be a mentor, he can be a friend, he can be a family member, but he can't sit on my master position, because if he want to have that master position, he have to leave this body, and then he will come, and then he will talk to me. So the intuition which you think that it is intuition, that is your master. So to increase the intuition, to increase the level of intuition, to increase and highlight the level of intuition, you change your master. You go to some people, use their intuition power. It means the ability from which I am using my intuition. You want that ability or not?
Yes.
You want that ability? Yes or not?
Yes.
You want that ability.
Absolutely.
That I want that ability, that I also have that intuition, and I can also have the ability to control the psychic world. It means you don't want me, you want my master. It means you want my intuition. So the person who is sitting on my intuition, you want that person to sit on your intuition also. Is it right or not?
Absolutely.
You want this only. So why you shunning me? Why you serving me? You want that intuition, man.
That's
So,
the reason serving you.
okay. Now you are serving me. You are saying that I'm serving you. So
Then wouldn't it be a business? It's a transaction between you and me.
yeah, everything is
Why
business.
is it this transaction? It has to come from the source.
Everything a businessman. Everything. Physical body, astral body, everything is a business. Every energy given or taken is a business. The Homa continuously produce energy. Is giving a lot much of energy to a different loka, awaiting that somebody or someone will give us energy back. So it is a business.
You're
See,
investing.
I am saying it clearly. I don't want to hide anything. If I say no, I'm doing this for Lord Hanuman. Lord Hanuman don't need this Homa. I need it. Why? Because
I want to do business with you.
yeah, I want to do business. Yeah, and this business has some principles. Yeah. So if I want to do business, so first of all, I will be very clear with my intuition master that I have to do business, and I am here for that purpose. If you will allow me, you guide me to that. That the intuition master sitting on the chair, he will guide me what to do and when to do. And accordingly, what will happen in the astral world will be guided by that master only. So, if you think I am talking on the behalf of my master, no. Now this is the thing people should know. I am not talking on the behalf of my master. I am just talking because I want to talk. Yeah. I am talking because I want to talk. And I love talking. I love talking. And when I am talking, like talking, so the intuition master will say, oh, you are talking too much. Let me talk also. And when he will talk 2 lines, the 2 lines will matter you more. He will say you 2 lines. And that 2 lines matter more than every piece of shit I am talking earlier. So I am waiting for the 2 lines.
Pearls of wisdom.
Yeah, words of wisdom. You can say it can come from experience, but I must say that experience comes from that experience master. Yeah. So it's not about people. It's not about it. It was never about people. It was about you. You talking to your intuition. So when you talk to your intuition, you get bad feelings, you get depression, you get jealousy, you get anxiety, like Alka is doing. So when she is talking to her intuition, so the person sitting with that intuition power, the master, he will do like blah 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 blah, and she will listen to it, and she will listen to it, and she will be like flabbergasted, because the master sitting on the intuition will make him depressed. So now,
Master made you depressed, or
Yeah.
master make you happy?
yeah, the master made her depressed. So to change that master, she just came here. That please change my master. Please change my master. I am fed up from this. Because this master has taken over me, like I'm meditating from last 15 years, means you are with sync with your master, meditation made you synchronize. Meditation makes you clear. Means, if you have a master and you meditate for 15 years, it means whatever the master says, listen to it very clearly. It removes all the hindrance between you and your master. So she is meditating from last 15 years, so she will be able to hear the master very clearly, and she will be like, okay, 24 hours, whatever the master says, she will be like, okay, I'm listening, okay, I'm getting it, okay, I'm getting it. And now she is fed up. Now she wants to change the master, and she is looking like, can somebody change my master? Please change my master. I don't want this master. And with the help of my master, I am trying to change his master.
Simple thing.
Simple. Just changing the master. Okay. So, it's not about peace. It's not about relaxing. It's about knowing your master. With your Ram Kriya, the person who has a best master, he will experience the best experience, because he will able to hear the voice of the master.
The master guides properly.
Yeah. And if a person has his best master, a master who has level up the dimensions, there he will guide him very properly, and the Ram Kriya will be amazing, because he or she will listen to his master. But a person who don't have a good master, whenever he will do your Ram Kriya, he will be like, okay, because that if he will repeat again and again, so the voice of master will be very clear, exactly. So now he or she will be like dead. So is your Ram Kriya good or bad? It depends upon the master. It depends upon the master. It depends upon the master. I know there was a couple like 2 years before who came from Indore. So they have the girl have 2-3 masters. Okay. So she went to different temples, and then she went to Isha.
Yes, Isha Foundation.
So there she stayed for 9 months. 9-month program.
Yoga program.
Yeah, yoga program. 9-month program and deep meditation. So first of all, she was like, okay. But for 9 months meditation with your master, you will be like continuously hearing that voices. After 9 months, she was able to hear each and everything from the master. So she called me and said, Bhaiya, there are 2-3 people who are talking every day, and I listen to them very carefully. Whatever I am doing, I listen to them because they are the master. And I have done 9-month program because now I am very clear to them, and they are very clear to me. I don't want this master, please can you help me? So for 9 months, she was clearing the path between them and the master, between her and the master. So it took like 3 months for me to remove those masters. very difficult. So, but she's good now. The masters are removed,
Changing.
changed.
Change.
Okay. Meditation
Changes the master.
meditation improves the quality of connection between you and your master,
Makes it more clear.
makes it more clear. So clarity is given by meditation, and master is given by your surrounding. Anybody can come and become your master who is dead. Yeah.
It's the circle of friends that you surround with.
Yeah, it is your circle. Like if I'm dead now, if I'm dead and I'm sitting on the cremation ground, and you moving from that side, and I saw you, okay, this person is free, I can go and sit on the mass. If I like you, I will come to you. I will be with you every time. Whenever you eat, you sit and we talk. I will be like sitting there. I will try to engulf you. I will try to sit on your intuition. I will try to talk to you. I will try, and eventually, with time, with 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, and 9 months,
Match.
and with 9 months, the frequency will match like ting. Now I'm sitting on your intuition, and I will be your master. So I will be in a power, in a condition that I can have anything from you. I'm sitting on your.
They dangle the carrot in front of you to take your energy, so they can sit on your shoulder.
They can sit on my intuition.
Yes.
Now when I'm sitting on your intuition, I will do whatever I like. I want to eat food, I will eat food. I want to have sex, and I will go and have sex. And I want to go somewhere and dive, I will dive. Yeah. And I want to go and fly, I will fly. I will experience everything. Because I'm your master and you are my slave. So in India, we say anything who guide you and you don't like whosoever is guiding you is a negative energy. So anything which is guiding you and you don't like, it will be your negative energy. That there is a bad master and sitting on my intuition, please can you remove it? Yeah, okay. Intuition. Intuition has various stages. Okay. Intuition has various deep stages. When you meditate, when I'm sitting on your intuition, I will be your master. But if you start meditating, I will try to be in your body. I will try to sit in your body. I will try to have each and everything. So whenever I will sit in your body, I will feel your body and you will feel my body. So whatever physical pain I am having, you will also have. Whatever energy I am having, you will also have. Because the master is now running the body. So the master from the intuition will come to the body. But here's the game of the God. Whenever I will try to sit in your body, and after a certain period of time, I want to get out, I will not be able to get out. Because now I am fully your master.
उनकी इच्छा से नहीं जा पाएगा.
No.
क्यों? क्यों?
No. You can't go. I will not be able to get out from your body. That is the game. Man, that is the game God has created. That is the game God has created.
उसके पास इच्छा शक्ति नहीं होता है.
No, there are certain principles on this earth from which the nature governs. Like sun will go from there and set from there. Okay, so there are universal laws. Whenever a cosmic energy, cosmic energy sit on the nervous system, it will start impacting upon the body. Whenever me as a master will sit on this body, I will acquire that body. But after some time, if I want to go somewhere, I will not be able to go. I have to take this body and I have to go. So like after few years, I will be very tired from this body. Now I will search for a person who will separate me from you.
That is what we did.
Yeah. So now I, sitting in your body, I will give you a command that you go somewhere and find somebody who will remove the negativity in you. You have the negativity, you feel depressed. So now when you will come to me? When you will come to me?
When you die,
Yeah, when you will come to me when you are tired, you are hopeless, you are depressed, you accept everything, you are a failure. So I will make you a failure because I am the master and I want to be separated. So I will try I will completely make you failure. Then only you will think that, oh, now I should go somewhere else and I need a master now. Then you will come to me. Then you will come some place here. You will say, yeah, I want to change my master. Can you check if somebody is wrong? Something is wrong. I know something is wrong. Then I will say, oh yeah, I see a master sitting there. Yes. So please, can you remove it? So the concept of master. So the human civilization is always been a concept of master. A human person can never be the master of somebody human. A human can never be a master of human. Master means your Shukshma Sharir. Master means your Shukshma Sharir. If I want to sit on your Shukshma Sharir, I have to leave this body. So whenever people say that, Bhaiya, I see you in my dream, you are commanding me, you came to me and saved me. At that time I was sleeping. So who came?
His one.
Who came?
His one master.
It means the master which is sitting on my Shukshma Sharir came to your Shukshma Sharir.
he took your form.
Yeah. And help you. So that time you will be, oh, Gurudev. Now you are my master. The concept of master. Nothing is defined in this world. This is a crazy world. Yeah. And you should find a good master. Wait for some time. That's why I say you chant, you wait, you purify body and wait. You know, like waiting for 10,000 years. Our saints waited for 10,000 years, purifying their body. That's what we call tapasya, penance. So they waited for 10,000 years. So in 10,000 years, you just tell me, how many people, how many masters they have seen? But they rejected every master. And they waited for that particular master who came for them. The master came for them and he said, now come to me. Sit on my Shukshma Sharira. So what we are doing here and sitting here, we are waiting for the master. not we are acquiring energy. Like mantra jap is your shield. Like mantra jap is your shield that nobody else can sit on your Shukshma Sharira. Okay, that nobody random can come and sit on my Shukshma Sharira. Who the fuck are you to sit on my Shukshma Sharira? You come and beat me in my mantra Shakti. If you are able to beat me in my mantra Shakti, you can sit on my okay. But I am sitting here continuously doing japa. It means I have a particular amount of energy. You can't break that. So, the guru is one who has more mantra shakti than you. Okay. So, he will come and sit on your intuition. So there are multiple saints. There are multiple saints who come and sit on your intuition. Like when I'm sitting here, I see multiple saints, thousands of saints come and give me advice. Come and give me advice. So I can say that there are multiple masters. I'm a slave of multiple masters. They come and give me advice like nothing. Then Parikshit, you go and sit there now. I'm saying no, I will sit here. So somebody will say in my favor, okay, sit here, don't worry. So I will stick to that. Okay. Concept of masters. Now, they are doing the sadhana now. You see that. They are doing the sadhana from last 3 months. Guided by my master, they are following the ritual. They are waiting for their master that someday my master will give them whatever they need. But nobody decides when and at what time
He will come.
he will come. So in this time, in that time period, multiple different masters guide you wrong advice, give you wrong advice. You don't go to that master, that is not good. Don't go to that master, that is not good. It is you to decide who is capable for you.
So you basically say, follow one, but bow to everyone. So you're not disrespecting
Yeah.
one, but you're only following one. Is that true?
Yeah. Because I respect them because their masters are good. I don't respect the person, but I respect their masters. Because they are sitting on that position because of the master, not by themselves. Are you getting my point? So I respect that master. So the master don't choose you. That master don't choose you, it means there is somebody else who is waiting for the position. You wait for your master, and one day eventually you will find your master. Might be on that day, people will recognize you. So, firstly I was saying that you do tapasya. There are many people who are doing tapasya for many years, but they don't get any recognition because they have not yet find their master. Once they find their master, they will be recognized. Welcome to Ashay. Jai Siya Ram.